Hi, my name is Vakar Yunus. I am design team at Atalb Manufacturing Company, and this is the Atalb Manufacturing Company waterproof leather mechanic work gloves. Flexible and breathable work gloves, stretchable spandex design bag, keep your hands cool and comfortable on the job. Screen work gloves with touch screen compatible fingertips, capable for your phones or tablet without having to take the gloves off. Terry cloth on the thumb, more convenient to wipe your face and sweat away while staying focused on the task at hand. General utility work gloves with foam padding palm and knuckle. A waterproof leather palm with foam padding provide hand better flexibility and all-day comfort. Easy on, easy off mechanic gloves, neoprene cuff with hook and lock strip, collier cuff, snug, secure fit. As a manufacturer of glove, we can also make this type of glove with your logo. To make a customized glove, please send us the picture or sketches as well as the detailed information about your gloves, or you may send your sample for reference. If you have any order about gloves, please commission your project here.